Okay, here is a startup video of the 1977 Merc 20 horse. This weekend we just got it fixed up. Turns out the guy who had it before didn't put an idle screw in it, so therefore it didn't idle. And so we got an idle screw put in it. And there she is, right there. Let's do a quick little startup video. It should start in 4 pulls, 2 with the choke and 2 or 3 without the choke. So yeah, squish the bulb, make it so it's hard. Okay, make sure the cap's open. So yeah, right here, ish. Okay. Put it about half throttle. Tighten up the cruise control. And pull the choke out. And number 2. Now we put the choke in as soon as you hear it almost fire. And we pull it 2 or 3 times. Running. So yeah, that's the Merc 20 horse running, and in future I will have more videos of it running, like actually in forward. So